The FLEXISPOT H7 Overbed Table features a gas spring pneumatic lift system that allows for smooth and effortless height adjustment with just one hand. Equipped with 4 hidden casters, this table is easy to maneuver and can be tucked away under furniture, making it a space-saving solution for any home or office. Its multifunctional design provides a reliable desktop surface that can be used for a variety of activities, such as eating, reading, or working, especially for those who are bedridden. The ergonomic design of the FLEXISPOT H7 includes a spacious desktop that accommodates laptops or tablets with ease, promoting a healthy standing desk experience. Assembly of the table is straightforward and quick, with all necessary tools included and clear instructions that allow for setup in under 10 minutes. The FLEXISPOT H7 is an ideal portable workstation that combines practicality with versatility, enhancing the convenience of daily living.